WCTV Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, plenty going on with our forecast for these next couple of days. Most of our weather is going to get real hot, middle of summer kind of hot. And if we don't find the showers like we were able to yesterday afternoon, boy, is it ever going to stay hot for a long period of time. The radar picture over the past 12 does show some of those showers that some of our area was able to get yesterday, and it did cool it down. But wait till you see where those daytime highs were. 75 right now in Valdosta, 76 in Tallahassee. We're at 73 in Thomasville. Officially made it to 94 yesterday. That was just before 2:30 in the afternoon. Stayed in those mid-90s for a couple hours before we did get a few scattered showers, and those were key. Normal high this time of the year is supposed to be 89. Record for this date, 99. And while I don't think the actual air temperature is going to get that high, I know it's going to feel hotter than that with that heat index. You add the heat plus the humidity, and it's going to be uncomfortable again today. Most numbers, mid-70s right now, 73 to 76. They haven't been moving much and likely won't for about another hour, hour and a half. And then they'll start to climb until hopefully we can find some more of those scattered showers. I don't see a lot of patchy fog out there, even if we are bottled up in this warm, humid, sticky air mass. The big story is going to be Florence. As it works its way towards the Carolina coast, rain always was going to be the big issue with this storm, and they could get 2 or 3 days worth of rain. Likely, some spots will be measuring that rain in feet. More on Florence in a second. For us, with a breeze coming in from the northeast and eventually the north, it's going to pin the sea breeze up near the coast. It's going to bring in some drier air upstairs in the atmosphere. Futurecast is having a hard time locking onto some showers. Now, I still think we'll find some, but I don't think we're going to get as many as we have been getting, and I don't think we're going to get as many as we need to help cool things down. There's 5 circles out there. We've got a piece of energy in the Gulf. We'll keep our eyes on it, likely a Western Gulf issue. We know about Florence. We've got Isaac out there, and we've got Helene and Joyce, another hurricane and another subtropical storm. So plenty going on with the tropics. The only one threatening land right now is Florence, and the key with this will be how far inland can it get before it kind of sort of meanders and fizzles. If it gets over land, cut off from its energy source, it can weaken faster. Also notice that that cone of uncertainty, which 3 days out got a little far south in South Georgia yesterday, not doing that anymore. Better news for our region. Here's what it looks like on the satellite presentation. You can see some of those outer reaches getting real close to the coastline. Some of the first bands of rain starting to get there too as we flip it around. This is going to be a significant rainmaker for the Carolinas for sure. This energy in the Gulf is kind of interesting because it's trying to organize, although looking maybe a little less likely that it's going to get organized. It doesn't have to. It's likely going to bring some significant rains to the Texas coast. It's moving the other way. The big story for our area these next few days, guys, it's just the heat.